Hi friends, this video shows how to do screen mirroring without using Google Home app. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Select the settings icon from top. Go to system. First we have to ensure that this TV has Chromecast feature. Under system here we can see cast option. That means this TV has Chromecast feature. Go up, select about. Under about here we can see device name Google TV. Please note this name. We can edit this name and we can give any name here. So right now this is the name of this TV, Google TV. Go back, then again go to settings. Select the settings icon. Select network and internet. Here we can see I have connected this TV to Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi 2024. We have to connect both the mobile phone and TV to same Wi-Fi network or same mobile hotspot. Let me go to mobile phone. In mobile phone, go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Tap on network and internet. Here you can see this mobile phone also connected to same Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi 2024. If you don't have Wi-Fi router, then we can use mobile hotspot. In that case, we have to connect both the mobile phone and TV to same mobile hotspot. So let me close this window. Then again go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Tap on connected devices. Tap on connection preferences. Tap on cast. Here you can see name of this TV, Google TV. This cast feature of this mobile phone will automatically search and detect Chromecast enabled devices in the same Wi-Fi network. So here this cast app in this mobile phone has detected my TV. That is why it's showing this TV name here. Tap on this TV name. Tap on start now. See, it's working. So let me focus TV screen. So this way we can do screen mirroring without using Google Home app. If you want to switch display to full screen, we can enable screen rotation on mobile phone. Then just rotate the phone. That way we can switch display to full screen in TV. We can also watch YouTube videos in full screen. Just open YouTube app in mobile phone, then just rotate the phone. Next I will show you how we can stop this mirroring. Again go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Tap on connected devices. Tap on connection preferences. Tap on cast. Here we can see connected TV. Tap on that. So now we get this disconnect option. Tap on disconnect. Done. So this way we can do screen mirroring. Please check it.